In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a paid subscriber on the Substack app. Whether you're looking to access premium content from your favorite writers or support creators you love, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to substack.com. Once there, simply sign into your account using your preferred login method. This might be through an email and password, or perhaps utilizing social media logins if you've set those up. Logging in is straightforward, but if you're new to Substack or have any login troubles, remember to check out their support options to quickly get your account access sorted. Once logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. Click on this icon and you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Settings option. Navigating to Settings is crucial as it's where you'll control various aspects of your Substack account, including managing subscriptions. In the settings, look for the subscriptions section. Here you will see all the publications you're currently subscribed to. Identify the publication you wish to upgrade to a paid subscription. Perhaps it's a newsletter with exclusive content you've been enjoying, or a new publication someone you admire has started. Remember, each publication may have different content you might be interested in, so choose accordingly. After selecting the publication, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on Upgrade to Paid. This is where you'll really begin the subscription process. Now, depending on the publication, you might find different plans available. You'll need to select your preferred payment plan. This might be a monthly or annual subscription, whichever suits your budget and reading habits best. Once you've picked your plan, it's time to enter your payment details. Make sure you have your payment method ready, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or any other accepted form of payment. Enter these details carefully to avoid any errors, as this completes the process of becoming a paid subscriber. Check everything twice because you wouldn't want any mistakes stopping you from enjoying that premium content. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded and are now a paid subscriber on Substack. You can now look forward to receiving more in-depth articles, bonus content, and the satisfaction of knowing you're supporting the creators behind your favorite reads. I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your new access, and thank you for supporting independent writers and creators on Substack.